Do you love it?
Yes.
Let me see. What does Wreck-It Ralph say?
I'm gonna wreck it.
Okay, what else do you have in there? Look at your other presents. No, you're not gonna leave it on while you open the other ones? Just leave it on for the video, and then you can show off your muscles again.
Popcorn? She gave me popcorn.
She gave you popcorn. Okay. Why did she give you popcorn? Oh, maybe the popcorn is to go with this. Maybe the popcorn goes with this. No. The popcorn goes with this. So I think you should open this one next. You need a little help?
No. A Wreck-It Ralph movie? Really? A Wreck-It Ralph movie?
Isn't that what you've been wanting for a long time?
Yes.
Are you so happy?
Yes.
Okay, what do you say?
Thank you.
Thank you. No, Auntie who?
Thank you, Grandma Sharon.
Okay, now look at this. Look at your Easter.
No, you have to do this one.
Oh, okay. Whoa. OMG. Look at that.
Hey, what's that one?
First PGA Tour wins. He got his at Pebble Beach, and it was one of those kind of three-ring circus kind of wins. He's got Bill Murray.
Do you love it?
Yes.
It's Thor.
How do you open?
Well, let's open everything first, and then we'll worry about that. Look at all those shirts. Who is this?
Hulk?
Mm-hmm. And who is this?
Thor?
And who's that?
Iron Man?
And who's over here?
Captain America?
Awesome. Okay, and this is your Easter basket. Your little Easter bag. What is that? What's in there?
Wait a minute, Mom. And I have to open the one.
That is it. That's all of it. This goes with this. And now let's look at that. Let's look in there. Thank you for the chocolate, huh?
Bunny chocolate?
Yes.
That's funny.
I know, she likes chocolate, huh?
What? She likes chocolate?
She loves chocolate, and so do you. Okay, last thing. Let's look at this last thing. All you do is pull it out. Oh, what does it say? Grandma's little man. Aww.
What does it say?
It doesn't sing? That's okay, because the other one that she gave you
What
sings.
does it say?
Oh, love, Grandma Sharon, 313.
What does that one say there?
Love. Okay, we're gonna end the video now. What do you say?
Thank you, Grandma Sharon.
Why are you acting all shy?
Thank you, Grandma Sharon.
Okay, bye.